Hi everyone, welcome back to African Real Estate. My name is Mungai Kihara and this is Kitengela Acacia. Today I'm planning to show you something different, something that we have not done in the channel, and I hope you like it. If you don't, please comment below here and we will mail you an apology. Let's get started. Next to me is a 4-bedroom all-en-suite mansion with a print area of 295 square meters. This home is exactly 500 meters from Magadi Road and exactly 2.5 kilometers from Kitengela town. The price of this home is 17 million and this home has been constructed on a 100 by 100 lot of land. That means it has been done on a quarter-acre piece of land. By now, I'm very sure you have noticed something queer about this property, and if you have not, the price is off. This home is in Acacia Paradise Estate, and this estate is next to the Royal Finesse. Royal Finesse are 4-bedroom all-en-suite mansions going for 20 million right now. Next to the Royal Finesse, we have the Royal Gates, and those are 4-bedroom all-en-suite mansions, but those ones are going for 16 million. On my right-hand side, you have the Riverine Estate, and those ones are 4-bedroom all-en-suite mansions, but those ones are going for 19 million. The only difference between this home and those other homes is that this one is in a quarter piece of land and the other ones are in 50 by 100 pieces of land or slightly smaller. This home is in the process of remodeling, and when I take you inside, you will understand why it's a bargain. Before we start the tour, a quarter piece of land in this locality is going for 7.8 million, so at least you know the baseline. On my right hand side, you have the front yard of this home, and as you can see, it's a big front yard, and here you have a space that can be used as an extra parking. On the far front, you have your biodigester, and above it, you have a space for your gazebo. On my left hand side, you have the parking of this home, and as you can see, the space is big enough to fit your 3 cars. And if that is not enough, as I told you, there is an extra space on the other side. Next to the parking, you have the garden of this home, and this garden extends to the backyard that is on the rear side of this home. The main entrance is here, and as you can see, it's very welcoming. Let's get inside. At the main entrance, you are welcomed by a metal casement entrance porch, and the main door is far inside. From the entrance, you have the stairs that will take you to the upper level. On my right hand side, you have the entrance to the dining area, and the dining area is on the far front. Here, you have the living room of this home. As you can see, the space is very well done. Very good tiling with golden accents, and here you have your TV area. On both sides of the TV area, you have your windows, and these windows are fairly big in size to bring you maximum natural light. At this point, I like how the gypsum ceilings have been very well cladded. The lighting system has been very well arranged, and I'm very sure you will love it. Very beautiful, right? The TV area has been Mazera cladded, and it has been raised to act as the focal point of this home. On my right hand side, you have the guest bedroom. But before I show you that, let me show you the dining area of this home. As you can see from there, the dining space is big enough to fit a table set of 10 to 12 people. And it comes with a vanity setup on this side, and on this other side, it opens to the kitchen. This is a very beautiful concept, and I love it. This dining area also comes with these 2 windows to maximize the amount of light that you get when you are enjoying your meals. At the end of this space, you have some storage for your cutlery or crockery that you regularly use. This dining area opens to the kitchen, and this is a very modern kitchen that comes with an island at the center. On my left hand side, you have your cooking area, and it's a 5-burner cooktop that comes with an extra storage below it. Above it, you have its hood, and next to me, you have your sink area, and this sink area comes with a double sink and a window next to it. This is the only window that we have in the kitchen, and that makes this kitchen slightly claustrophobic. On this other side, you have an extra storage, and this door opens to the pantry of this kitchen. The pantry is slightly bigger than standard, and it comes with numerous storage for all your dry foods. On this edge of the kitchen, you have a space that has been left for your refrigerator. The space is big enough for your double door, and above it you have an extra storage. This kitchen comes with a microwave and an oven. And these kitchen appliances make this home look very posh. Next to them you have an extra storage, and this door opens the laundry area and the kitchen garden. Before I take you outside, I would like to notify you that that is the end of the fan, and these are the only spaces that have been remodeled. From here, I'll show you all the other parts that have not been remodeled, and you do the remodeling yourself when you purchase this unit. The laundry area of this home is here. As you can see, the space is big enough for your washer and dryer, and this space also hosts the controls for the solar water heaters. The clotheslines area is here, and this home comes with an external bathroom. Above it, you have the first water tank, and because I know that is not enough, that's why we have an extra water tank. That tank can be used for the house consumption, but this one can be used for other purposes and the irrigation of the kitchen garden. The kitchen garden extends to the other side of the home, and it joins the front garden. Let's get back inside. From the kitchen garden, I'll show you the guest bedroom or the first bedroom. At the entrance of the first bedroom, you have the first bathroom. This bathroom also doubles as the common bathroom. The bathroom is of a standard size, and it comes with a water closet and a wash basin next to it. This is where you do your showering. I'll show you the first bedroom. The first bedroom is the smallest, and that's why it has been optioned to be used as the guest bedroom. This bedroom can be used as the employee quarters if you like or you enjoy your employees spending time in the main house. But if that is not the case, you have an extra employee quarters outside. This room comes with its closet on this other side. This closet is of a standard size with numerous spaces for your hangable and your foldable clothes. I'll show you the rest of the house. From the first bedroom, we will take the stairs to see the other three bedrooms. This home comes with a mahogany staircase, and on my left hand side, you have the three bedrooms. On my right hand side, you have the study or the office. Initially, this space was designed for learning purposes or to act as a home office, but the previous owner was using it as a bedroom. I don't know why or how, and I don't want to know. I'll take you to the first bedroom. The primary bedroom is here, and behind me you have the first bedroom. This is the second bedroom. Today we'll start with the primary bedroom. From the entrance, the primary bedroom is fairly big, and it comes with its closet here, and you have an extra storage on the other side. I'll show you that. This storage is big enough for you and your partner, and here is where you do your bed. The space is big enough for a 5x6 or a queen size bed. This bedroom comes with its window here, and on this other side you have the controls for your CCTVs and your electric alarm. On this end, you have this hallway that takes you to the bathroom, and on both sides of this hallway you have an extra storage. The bathroom is here, and this door opens to the balcony of this bedroom. I'll show you the bathroom first. The primary bathroom is of a standard size. It's not the biggest that we have seen in the channel, neither is it the smallest. The bathroom comes with its bathtub on this side, a water closet here, and on this side you have your wash basin. This bathroom comes with all the necessary fixtures, and that's all for this bathroom. The balcony of this bedroom is here. As you can see, the balcony is of a standard size, slightly bigger than other balconies that you have seen in the channel, and it gives very nice views to the rest of the estate and your garden. Let's get back inside. From the primary bedroom, we will see the first kids' bedroom. Before you get to the first bedroom, you have its bathroom here. The bathroom is of a standard size, similar to the ones that I showed you earlier, and from here I'll show you the bedroom itself. The first bedroom is similar in size to the guest bedroom that I showed you earlier, and it comes with a similar sized closet. From here I'll take you to the second and final bedroom. From the first bedroom, the second bedroom is here. The second bedroom is slightly bigger than the first bedroom, and it comes with these modifications for your mosquito nets. On this other side, you have the closet to this bedroom, and next to it, you have its bathroom. From the look of things, this bedroom is meant for the bigger kids, and that's why it comes with a slightly bigger closet and some spaces here for the shoes. I'll show you the bathroom. This bathroom is slightly longer than the other bathrooms that I showed you earlier, and it comes with all the necessary fixtures that you may require. That's all for this bathroom. As you have seen, this level requires a lot of remodeling. That's why this house comes cheaper than any other homes in this area. We have come to the end of the tour, and if you love DIYs, this is the house for you. If you would like more of this, kindly comment below and we'll do our best. Before I leave, I won't tell you a secret, but I hope the developer is not listening. If you are a good negotiator, the developer can give you a better deal. That's all for today, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.